So in this video, we're going to look at how you can use WeVideo, a great video editing platform, to make your own instructional videos. So I'm going to open up my WeVideo account, and you'll see that we've got a number of different platforms, but basically up here, we've got a dashboard, our projects and our media, and we can record a video, or we can make a video, record video, or make a GIF, okay? So we're going to look today at making a video, which is how we manage to do instructional videos. So I'm going to save it into this folder and start editing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to bring into here some logos that I've already got in my media. So I'm going to go to down here, WeVideo, and I'm going to bring that logo in, and I'm going to put it in video 1. And that's going to play, as we can see there, for about 3 or 4 seconds, okay? And we can see it's not sized very well, so I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to make sure it fits to the screen so that it's a nice size for us, okay? What I'm then going to do is come back to my media, and I'm going to see whether there's anything else I want to add, particularly at the moment. Not much. So the next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of a recording. So I'm going to record just my webcam, and I'm going to choose my right camera, and you'll notice I've got a green screen behind me, which was very inexpensive green tablecloth. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to build tutorial videos using WeVideo. It's really easy. So I'm just going to record that and save it into my video, and I'm just going to then bring it up onto the next track, and I'm going to drag WeVideo out to the same length. So the image of WeVideo is going to be appearing for the same amount of time as I am, okay? Now to get rid of all of that green behind me, all I need to do is to click anywhere on this particular track and double click it, and then I can come up here to this Head and Shoulders image, click on the color picker, choose the green, and out goes the green. It doesn't have to be a green background, it can be anything that's just one color in contrasting to the other thing. So green and blue both work really well. Now before I save the changes, I'm just going to shrink myself down a little bit, just so that I'm not quite so imposing on the screen, and just drop it a little bit so I'm just out of sight, out of shot slightly there. Okay, and I'm going to save those changes. So if we play that back. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to build tutorial videos using WeVideo. It's really easy. Okay, so that's the start of our video. Now, if I wanted to screen record into this, because I'm demonstrating how to use something, I can do that as well. So I can come up here to record. I can go to screen and webcam, and it's going to do exactly the same for me, but 2 in 1. So I'm going to click next, choose the screen I want to share, and I'm going to open up just a new tab and just say, hi everyone, just wanted to show you how easy it is these days to access a new Google Doc. So all we need to do is to go right to the very top to what we call the Omnibox, which is up here. And if we want to start a new Google Doc, all we need to press is docs.new. And the more times you do it, actually all you end up having to do is press D, and it starts to record it for you. If we wanted to open a new slideshow, for example, we would just type slides.new, and that would do exactly the same thing. And the same trick works with forms as well. Forms.new. It's brilliant, isn't it? And finally, it even works with Google Keep. Keep.new. Fantastic way of opening a new document without having to do lots and lots of clicks. Okay, so this works for loads and loads of parts of the G Suite, and is really, really straightforward. The good thing is all of these documents are automatically saved to your Google Drive the moment you start using them. So I think that's actually really, really good. So give it a try. Remember, go to that Omnibox, type in docs.new or slides.new, and away you go. So I'm stopping now. I've recorded that. You can see it's recorded 2 tracks, the webcam itself and the screen. So I'm going to drop those now into my video. And you can see the video, and then you can see me as well. So the first thing we've got to do is get rid of all the green. We come to the color picker, choose the green that we want to get rid of. Okay. We then come to the positioning, the transform tool, and decide where I want me to be. I might be down here, for example, and I can save that. I can always move it if it's not quite right. But then we've got me here, and we can start to play it.
Hi everyone, just wanted to show you how easy it is these days to access the new Google Doc. So all we need to do is to go.
So that actually might be a little bit small. So I'm going to click back on that and just scale myself up again a little bit. Because I want to be nice and visible on the screen. So I'm just going to save those and carry on that preview.
Go right to the very top to what we call the Omnibox, which is up here.
And you can see you can gesture.
And if we want to start a new Google Doc, all we need to press is Docs.new. And the more times you do it, actually all you end up having to do is press D and it starts to record it for you. If we wanted to open a new slideshow, for example, we would just try Slides.new, and that would be
okay. So if we're happy with this, that's brilliant, but we might want to just add some visuals into there. So we could add an extra track. In this case, it's going to be a video track. And here I know we're talking about slides. So I'm going to add text in, and I've got a choice of motion or static. So I'm going to go with motion, which is going to come in with a whisper. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to go to the speech bubble, and I'm going to put here the URL that I suggested, .slides.new. I'm going to have it show up in yellow. I can change the size if I want manually, make it larger, and it's going to appear on the screen, Slides.new. But I don't want it there, so I can reposition it and have it pop up over here. I can change the size of it if I want to. I can even flip it around if I want and have it facing different ways, okay? Or flip it that way. So might be happy with that, save that as a change, but I might want it to fade in and out. So I'm going to crossfade in and crossfade out again. And you'll see, I don't think that worked there, crossfade back out. Doesn't want to do that one. We've got the crossfade in, here we go.
If we wanted to open a new slideshow, for example, we would just try Slides.new, and that would do exactly the same thing.
Okay,
and the same trick works.
How we can then add further information to our particular slides at any particular point. Okay, so really useful, really easy way to make instructional videos using WeVideo. And you've always got a whole lot of stock media right at the end here that you can use at any particular time. So there's videos, images, and all sorts, even if you haven't got your own, including green screen. You just type in green screen. If you don't want to be on camera, there's nothing to stop you having someone else, like this chap here, point things out for you, like that, okay? Or if there's something amazing you've discovered, why not have this lady looking really stressed out about the whole thing, okay? A really easy way of doing it, and then just finish your recording as soon as you're happy. And it will give you the option, once it's imported all of your video, to save that to your Google Drive, to download it, and to share it to YouTube and various other places. Okay, so that's how we do it.